So this problem is asking you to find the difference quotient for this rational function. So as a reminder, the difference quotient is the f of a plus h minus f of a, all divided by h. And we're going to find this in pieces. First find f of a plus h, which means we go to this function, take out the x, and sub in a plus h. So it's just 5 over a plus h plus 4. And because we're adding here, we can really just drop the parentheses off. 5 over a plus h plus 4. F of a is just taking out the x and replacing it with a. So 5 over a plus 4. And then the third step, and this one's going to be the one that's a little more complicated, we're going to have f of a plus h. So that was the 5 over a plus h plus 4 minus f of a, all divided by h. And this is where we need to make our denominators look the same. And the only way you can do that is by multiplying by a factor. We can't just add in an h, for example, to the second denominator to make it look the same. There's no property that allows us to do that. But I can multiply top and bottom by the missing factor, a plus 4. And now to make this denominator look like the first one, I need to multiply by a plus h plus 4. Right, so we now have a common denominator of a plus 4 times the a plus h plus 4. We just bring that one denominator along. On top, we're going to multiply by the 5. Notice there's no addition sign in between here, so that is multiplication. 5a plus 20. Take the number negative 5 and distribute that through. Negative 5a minus 5h minus 20. And then still common denominator, all divided by h. That's really h over 1. All right, lots of good stuff will cancel. The negative 5a with the positive 5a, the negative 20 with the positive 20, and I'm left with the negative 5h over. Now don't multiply out denominators here. Leave those factored. And then do the keep, change, flip. So we keep the top fraction, change division to multiplication, and then flip h over 1 to 1 over h. My h's will cancel. Since it's all multiplication and division, I can go ahead and cancel out the h's. I'm left with negative 5 times 1 over, and then just leave that factored, a plus h times a plus h plus 4.